These are my girls, Ernie and Tyla, two guys and a Johnny. Say hello! Now guys, let's continue. Do you have any idea what are called twins or better to be marine mammals? Any idea? Do they have feathers? Well, let's ask them. If it is do you have feathers? The answer is no. It's actually because of their front flippers, which are shaped like a bird's wing. See those? That are millipeds may also be translated as wing-footed. Since their flippers do those somewhat like wings. In fact, they're going to be flying underwater as they swim from place to place. Right, Sila and friends? And did you know, there are things taken like a cube because they look very much alike. But some people have said